Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore all deleted photos on your Android. You have to start by open Google Photos application, and now you need to go to the collections at the middle bottom. And right here we have a trash. You click on it, and right here you need to click select, and we have restore all. But if you delete these photos from the trash, you cannot restore it because you permanently delete it. Now if you just move it to the trash, click restore all and then restore. Now we should wait, and now as you can see we have all photos here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.